depths of the ocean, where the light fades slow, a dance of colors swirling, every hue and flow. A girl with dreams, eyes wide as the sea's embrace. Her heart beats with the rhythm of an ancient place. Oh, let the waves carry me deeper in the tide, with a whisper of the dragon in the currents. I glide underneath the silver sky, where the magic begins. Together we'll explore the world as the adventure